sun shines here, which can only mean there's one sauce, barbecue sauce. Now this is a beautiful barbecue sauce, really simple. It's got everything you want. It's slightly smoky, a lot of sugar to it, a lot of sweetness. Glazes amazingly well, so you can use it a little bit for cooking, particularly if you're doing stuff on the barbecue, but it's a great finishing sauce to go on top of sausages.
Place the pineapple juice, red chilli and ginger into a medium-sized pan and place onto a heat. Bring to the boil while whisking and then lower to a simmer and reduce the mixture by half. Add the remaining ingredients except the salt, bring to the boil and simmer until thick and glossy. Once it's all cooked out, you can either blend it or just pass it through a sieve. And then chill and it's ready to serve on sausages or whatever you want.
Then what we normally do in this part of the video is I take a bite of it and go, ooh, that's delicious, but the sun's out. So we're gonna go outside and eat it outside as if it's the beautiful English summertime barbecue season. Great sausages. I do have one slight hang up about hot dogs. So I quite often get the bread to sausage ratio a little bit wrong. This is a bit doughy compared to the amount of meat. I prefer more meat. Either way, both of them work really nicely with the barbecue sauce.